My name is Mousree, and today we will learn that how to make a school. What is it? Monkey catcher. Oh, I mean, fruit catcher game in Scratch Tree. Of course, this is the version Scratch Tree, and with the help of two arrow keys like right and left, I can catch the monkey. If I don't catch the monkey in 30 seconds, then it will say time over. So I have to catch 20, 20, coconut. That's not coconut. Even also I have mango. I just named it coconut. Coconut and our mango caught 20 in 30 seconds. Then it will say you win. Otherwise, it will say time over. Means if you don't caught 20 mangoes in 30 seconds. So you can caught a mango by using this. Two arrow keys. Oh, and then what happened? Is good for just stay still. That it will help you though 20 seconds, but it may be like this that if the 30 seconds go away and it will say time over. If we cut some like 20 mangoes, then it will say when where 11. So I have seen that this is more good. Let's show on the screen. Oh, still this. So let's play it again. So for that, this is the code of tree 2, code of sprite 1, code of monkey 2. Code of you win. And you win because sprite 4. So this is a sprite 4. Sprite 3 means this is tree 1, this is tree 2, this is sprite 1, this is sprite 2, and this is a mango, and this is a monkey. So guys, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.